I'm Alex Matthews. I'm oral and maxillofacial surgery resident at UAB in Birmingham, Alabama. Came up for the weekend to learn about All-on-X with Dr. Kapitan. I thought this was a really great opportunity. We get exposure to it, with decent teaching with it, but having a full-blown CE course like boot camp like this was an opportunity that I really couldn't give up. Having the combination with Dr. Dawson yesterday, with Hunter yesterday, the prosthodontic side of it, plus the surgical side of it. I mean, with All-on-X, it really is a prosthodontic procedure that has a surgical component, and getting to learn from both a prosthodontist and a surgeon together how all this kind of goes together, it really was just an amazing experience, and it definitely lived up and exceeded expectations. Just being able to train with him and with CIA is just, it was something that, you know, I will be able to say, you know, I've done this with the CIA. You know, it's very nice. Yeah. I would come back to a CIA course. I know that there's several different levels of training that they do. And so, yeah, I absolutely would. I would, the next opportunity I have to do another course, I'll jump on it.